Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Today I wanted to share what I got inside my Fabfitfun box for winter because I always look forward to Fabfitfun in general, but typically the fall and winter boxes are my favorite. You just get so many amazing cozy items that are so nice for the seasons. And I definitely got some really great options in my box for winter, so I can't wait to show you guys. I do want to say thank you to Fabfitfun for sponsoring today's video. If you guys haven't heard of Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box. You get full-size products. You can choose from a range of things, including beauty, fashion, lifestyle, fitness, and they do ship to the US, the UK, and Canada. Fabfitfun really has the best value, which is why it does make such a great gift, either to yourself, to someone else that you love, because typically in the box, there's a product or even multiple products that are worth more than the actual cost of the box. And depending on what you customize for your winter box, you can get one with a retail value of up to $300, and it's only $49.99 each season. If you guys are new to Fabfitfun and you use my code, which is just Andrea, you'll actually get a free mini box when you sign up for a seasonal subscription. The mini box has a retail value of over $100, so I love that they are offering that with the code. You can either keep the mini box for yourself, give it as a gift, but that is such a great bonus offer, so definitely check it out if you're interested while you can grab it. Okay, I am excited to show you guys what I got inside my winter box. Now, they did say because of supply chain issues, you might not be able to get the exact same products in your box, but they will have a ton of great options to choose from. They always do. So let me know what you guys end up getting inside your winter box. I would love to hear from you, and let's jump into it. Let me share the product that I am most excited about. The first product I got is something that I just love. I actually discovered this brand through Fabfitfun a while ago. They offered these blankets, I think in a fall or winter box, maybe a year or two ago, and I just fell in love with the brand. At this point, I have like 5 or 6 unhide blankets in my house. I just placed an order maybe a month ago because I love them so much. So I was excited when they offered this one. I don't have this color. This is a really beautiful, like deeper gray, and I think it is so perfect for the winter season. You guys, these are so warm, so cozy. They're faux fur blankets, and they wash and wear really well. Like, I've had some of mine for a while at this point. I am a new mom, which is so crazy to say, but I actually purchased one of these for my little baby just when we're cuddling up in the rocking chair or we're going out. I'll kind of, tuck it in around him if it's a little bit colder outside. And this is going to be perfect for him because he loves them too. My pugs love them. My husband loves them. I love them. So I couldn't resist another unhide blanket, and I think this color is so beautiful for the winter. There was a beauty product that I was so excited about because I actually wanted to purchase this and try this out myself. It is the Bite Beauty Power Move Soft Matte Lipstick. I love Bite Beauty lip products. They are some of my absolute favorites. They have these matte lip crayons that I wear all the time. They've been like my #1 lip product of 2020 and 2021, but I haven't tried their new matte lipstick. So this is the shade Sugar Buns. I am wearing it today. Lately, I've really been into glossy lips because a lot of matte lipsticks can feel really dry on the lips, but the reason why I love Bite Beauty lip products is because they don't leave your lips feeling dry. They feel really lightweight, really smooth, and this one is no exception. It feels great on the lips. I love the color, and I'm just excited I have the chance to try out the formula because I was looking at these last time I was at Sephora, and I couldn't decide which color to grab. And this color is perfect. I'm kind of getting back into pink lipstick again. I do feel like I wear a lot of pink eye makeup looks, so pink lipstick does typically pair well with it. And I think this color is really pretty. The formula is so nice. So I definitely want to try another one of these, but in the meantime, I am so happy with this color. I think it's such a great option. I actually love these as well. These are mugs. I just feel like I got a lot of good products in my winter box. It's probably my favorite box of 2021 just because there's such a good range of cozy products I know I'll use for the winter time. And as I opened everything, I just got like more excited about the next product and the next product. So anyway, these are ceramic mugs. I've been drinking a lot of coffee at home lately, and I think that these will come in handy for sure. They're also just really cute. So these are by Pulitzer. I just think they're so fun. They have this really pretty blue design, and then they have a gold handle. It's funny because when I did my wedding registry years ago, I registered for like all white dishes and white mugs and just like everything white because I thought it would go with whatever I did in my home. And I still have like a lot of white dishes, but for some reason I just got rid of like all my white mugs, and I like to have fun mugs because when you pull it out, it just makes you happy. It puts you in a good mood. This is a pretty good sized mug, so you could use it for coffee or tea, but I've really been into soup lately, so I'm personally looking forward to using it for soup. I feel like sometimes when you have a bowl is just a little bit too big for soup, and like a cup or a mug is the perfect size, and it comes with 2 of them. So I just love these. I think they're really fun, really nice quality too. Another staple of mine is this cleanser. I love this so much. I'm actually almost out of mine, so I was so excited when I saw this as an option. This is by the brand Tula Skincare. It is the cult classic purifying face cleanser. So I think that I tried this for the first time either back in the spring or the beginning of the summer. This whole year has been such a blur, so I'm not certain, but I did fall in love with the brand Tula, and this cleanser is so nice. It's a really lightweight gel-based cleanser that's great if you have sensitive skin. My skin has been so sensitive this year, so some cleansers can be really harsh and they can irritate my skin. That's not the case with this one. This one does a great job at removing makeup and dirt and oil, but it doesn't strip my skin. My skin feels lightly refreshed and hydrated, so it's a really nice option. Another brand that I love that I actually discovered through Fabfitfun as well is Alchemist. They make a bunch of great products. They have really nice skincare products, good body products. I thought this was so perfect for the winter season because even though my face is oily, the rest of my body is so dry, including my hands. My hands have been so dry for the past 2 weeks. And again, I think it's because we have a new baby, so I've just been making sure to wash them like so often. And this is just a body cream. So I've been using it as a hand lotion, which is a nice option, but you can also use it on your body too. This one is mandarin and rosemary leaf. I really love this product because it is super, super hydrating, but it sinks into the skin really quickly. A lot of overly hydrating products, which are perfect for the winter, don't sink in quickly. So you apply them and then you're like doing things and you get lotion on everything. This sinks in so fast, which is ideal, but I also feel like it provides lasting hydration throughout the day. So I've mainly been using it on my hands, but like it says, it's a body cream. You can use it everywhere. And I just like this brand. I think they have really nice ingredients. The product itself is, of course, cruelty-free. It's vegan, certified organic, and I just enjoy Alchemist as a whole. I feel like I typically get like a good pair of socks or slippers in a Fabfitfun winter box. So this time around, it's kind of like a sock slipper hybrid. These are from the brand Mizrahi. So they're super, super lightweight, which I love because I do have a lot of like big, thick, fluffy slippers. But sometimes you just want something a little bit more lightweight, especially now. It's still fall, so it's not super cold in the house, but I feel like I need something. And I'm not typically a fan of like regular socks. I like super fluffy socks. But again, since we have a baby now, I feel like I don't want to slip around as I'm walking on the hardwood. So these actually have like a little bit of a grippy material on them. They're really soft and fluffy on the inside, and they're perfect. They're so nice for everyday wear. So these are something that I'll use. Something that I will definitely be getting a lot of use out of is this product from the brand Barefoot Scientist. I feel like Fabfitfun knew that I needed this. I'm sure a lot of us could use something like this during the winter time. I am long overdue for a pedicure. I don't think I'll be getting out to get one anytime soon, so it's something I'll have to do at home one of these days. And this tool is so perfect. So I purchased something like this online a while ago, but it was way too harsh. It wasn't smooth like this. It almost looked like a cheese grater, to be honest with you. And I just felt like every time I used it, I almost injured my foot. So something like this is nice because it definitely gives your skin like a nice exfoliation, but it's not over the top. It's not like you're necessarily going to remove an entire layer of your skin. It's just going to be very gentle. So if it's something that you use daily or a couple of times a week, it will really be effective. I have one more product to share with you guys. I almost missed this. This was in the corner. It's from the brand Aesthetica. It is the liquid eyeliner in the shade Black. I love a good liquid eyeliner. To be honest, I haven't been doing it quite as much these days. I haven't had the chance to do my makeup a whole lot. Today I actually sat down and did my makeup, and it was so relaxing. I've missed it so much. But black eyeliner always comes in handy. I love a good winged eyeliner, especially around the holiday season. Now, I used to strictly be a fan of liquid eyeliner pens. A few months ago, I actually tried liquid eyeliner that comes in this form again, and I actually found it so easy to work with. It just glides on the eyes so nicely. So I am excited to have this. I feel like it's nice to switch it up from time to time, and I feel like black eyeliner always comes in handy, at least for me. I love a good wing. So I almost forgot to mention this one, but I did get this in my box as well. Okay, guys, that is everything I got inside my Fabfitfun box for winter. This was definitely my favorite box of the year. I feel like I got so many good products that I'm just excited about. And I feel like now more than ever, I'm going to be home a lot more than I have been, maybe in the past. I feel like I've been home for the past few winters just because of everything going on in the world. But winter is just like my favorite time to stay home, just be cozy, enjoy yourself, maybe relax a little bit, unplug. And I feel like the products in here will definitely help me do that. So anyway, thank you guys for watching today's video. If you want to try out Fabfitfun, I'll put a link in the description box below. And again, you can use my code Andrea to get that free mini box when you guys sign up for a seasonal subscription. So definitely make sure to redeem it and get your hands on that. But I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.